Everyone, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. I'ma kiss you what I like. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma wear what I like. I'ma party tonight.
Happy Ate Binta. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Binta. I love you. So much. I love you. Sorry. I love you, Ate Binta. Happy birthday.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Ate Binta. Wish na mo. Mas puga permente. I love you.
Hi, Ate Brenda. Happy birthday from when? From Philippines to Dubai. Sorry if want me dira to celebrate with you, but I know magiging happy jud ka today. Cause yeah, naajud gyapon mo celebrate kuyog nimo. I am wishing you nothing but the best in life, Ate. Praying for good health and wishing for a happy love life for you, Jud. Thank you. Thank you for being one of my ate. Thank you for listening sa mga rants ko, and thank you for protecting me. You know what I mean. And yeah, can't wait to see you soon. And enjoy your day. Have a blast, ate. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Binta. Wish kay Basko ka perme. Salamat kayo. Salamat sa iyong pangatag kay. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Ate Binta. I love you.
Hi, Ate Brenda. Happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday, Ate Brenda. Ate Brenda, yung gusto ko lang sa'yo is, my wish for you is to find a true partner. A partner will accept you. A partner will stay with you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, he will stay with you, Ate Brenda. He will support you and all. Also, I pray that God will touch your heart, open your heart to enter in a serious and real relationship, Ate Brenda. Nothing else, Ate Brenda. All I want for you is to find a true happiness, good life, and healthy life as well. Thank you so much, Ate Brenda, for being there for me when I need you. Always remember, Ate Brenda, if you need me, I'm always here for you, Ate Brenda. Thank you so much, Happy birthday, Ate Brenda. Love you. It's so awkward right now. But yeah, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi girl. Magandang buhay. Happy birthday in advance kasi hiningi ito ni Usle sa akin today. So, sabi daw niya mag-record ng video for you. Kidding aside, I'm so happy that I met you in yung reality. Kasi na-form yung parang Bex Battalion. Alam mo yan? Chares. Alam mo naman, what I would wanted for you is always to be happy and be successful on what you are. Wala na akong mahihiling kasi kompleto bakuna ka na, girl eh. I think from head to toe, complete package na eh. Pero kidding aside again, I wish you a happy birthday from the bottom of my heart and the heart of your Ate Aisa. We will meet soon. Love you. Bye-bye. Salut.
Happy birthday, Ate Binta. I love you. Pindia.
Hi, Ate Brenda. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of happiness, love, and blessings, te. Thank you always sa time nga napakadire, sa mga libre, sa mga shot, sa mga padagat, pa-overnight, mga laag, o syempre pa some gift, te. Thank you nga imaminggi pa experience sa mga ingon ana, especially katong sa banana boat, dayon. Stay healthy, te. Happy and beautiful inside and out. Enjoy your day, te. You deserve it. Love you always.
Hi, Kai. Happy birthday.
Kailangan ko.
pagdabang nimo sa ila mama ug papa nga ma-improve ko ta. Dili ka magbago. Then,
lang happy 13th birthday lang. Wish na mo nga maya imong panglawas din ana o makakita na yung kaglalaki nga para yun sa imuha. Katong pag-uli nimo lang, grabe yun ta kamalipayon, wa igubot, walay away, kay maumang yun na ang imuha yung pangandoy nga wandi magubot-gubot nga matapok kita tanan natuman yun na lang nga imong gi kuan pod sa amoa gisaan nga manglaag ka nga grabe kay ta kamalipayon wa na gyud maka kuan sa ato ang pagkamalipayon ato ng laag ka bisag naa ka sa balay gatapo na mag-inom-inom wish gid namo lang nga kuan may gyud imong panglawas din ana dayon sampit sa Ginoo always dahil sa mga imong ampo ayo gid kay kalimot pag kuan sa Ginoo o love you kay kanamo lang I love you so much amping perminted din ana.
Happy birthday, Brain. Manghinaot unta ko nga. Tagaan pa unta kag taas pang kinabuhi ug mga panglawas. Kay nga no, ikaw ra diha. Pagpaningkamot diha. Kay kami ni Arabi diri sa layo. Kay ikaw ra diha isa. Happy birthday, anak. Mag-ayo-ayo diha. Bisan tuod og naa ka diha pero sige lagi ang gwanta gyud namo ang among kamingaw sa imo. Busa ikaw diha pag ayo-ayo kay ikaw ra isa. I love you, anak.
don't make me cry. Bilis magbago ng ano.
Happy birthday po. Inasman.
Thank you so much.
Doon ka na po. Ulit. Iba ka mo doon.